How do you automatically send welcome emails to every new user in WordPress? Easy, and I'll show you exactly how to set up this no-code automation in just a couple of minutes. First, of course, we need to install the AIU plugin. This gives us drag and drop automation blocks that let you automate literally anything inside WordPress. Next, we open the plugin and create a new workflow. Perfect. The first thing we need is a trigger. Choose New User Registered, which means this workflow will run every time someone creates an account. Since I want to personalize the welcome email, I'd like to use the user's name, but not every user provides one, so we'll add a branch logic block. Inside the branch, we check whether the username variable exists. If it does, the workflow goes down the true path. If not, it goes down the second one. On both paths, we add a send email action. With AIU, you can send emails however you prefer: WordPress mail, SMTP, Gmail, Outlook, anything. For this quick example, we'll use the standard WordPress send email option. Let's fill out the fields. 2, click Variables and select the user's email from the trigger. From email, I'll add my admin address. From name, I'm Max. Subject, here's the one I prepared. Here's the message. Since this is the branch where the username exists, open the variables again and insert the username. Perfect. Now we copy the same setup to the branch where the username is missing and replace the name with a simple "Hi there." By the way, the email content field supports full HTML, so you can create beautiful styled emails. Let's send our message to ChatGPT and ask it for clean, inline styled HTML. Done. Now we replace the plain text with the improved version. And that's it. Our automation is ready. Let's test it. Save and activate the workflow. Register a fake user. Check the logs. Everything runs correctly. And in the inbox, there it is. Email received. This is how you can start building a multi-step onboarding flow. As always, let us know in the comments which automations or integrations you want to see next in AIU Workflow Builder. We'll add them. See you in the next one.